Symbiotic system will help you make $1,000 per day. Let's learn this from these guys.
How is it that these cabins that were built with only an initial investment of $100,000 and in less than a year later valued as high
You don't need investment.
as $2.55 million? Now, most people would assume that to build an entire home would cost significantly more than $100,000.
You don't need to build a home or even go out of home to make this money. Let's learn from these guys.
Are actually creating a tremendous amount of value here. It's pretty smart. They built two businesses that are symbiotic.
This is symbiotic and you are going to do it online.
Do you remember watching those nature documentaries and it shows sharks swimming with those smaller fish all over its body, even going inside its mouth and eating the parasites and leftovers? That's a symbiotic relationship. Brian Squared did that here. The cabin's drawing guests from out of town to stay in the area, and then every morning they get up and a new round of customers head to the coffee shop for breakfast and a drink. Win-win, simply brilliant.
Businesses that complement each other.
I actually implement a similar strategy. Here's my visual. Now, I own and invest in real estate, obviously. So naturally, I created a property management company. I then started a content creation business around real estate.
Okay, let's stop for a moment and get back to you. You will start free with your phone and internet connection. Use the phone, but wait.
Fancy way of me just starting YouTube, which then turned into my program where I teach students how to do what Brian Squared is doing basically. So they
make 1-minute videos and publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Step 2, grab affiliate link or product relevant to your videos and ask your viewers to buy from you. Gain some capital and create your own digital product. Now ask your viewers to buy your digital product. Then contact the people you promoted as an affiliate and ask them to promote your products as affiliate as reciprocation. Now you'll make tons of money. Now, as your third business, teach others how to do affiliate marketing, how to sell digital product, or even both, and earn a lot of money. Yes, this sounds like a lot of work at the beginning, and that's why we don't do all this. We recommend beginners to start with high ticket affiliate marketing, and our beginner students just like you love our program because it's 99% done for you, and they earn $500 plus in affiliate commissions per sale. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.